Alright, welcome back to the channel. My name's Ryan. This really wasn't a video that I planned to shoot, but I started a mulching project, and in previous videos so many people had asked why I hadn't mulched over here yet or why it looked so bad when I was putting in my French drain. So I figured I'd answer that question, and then maybe the question of how long it takes one man, a wheelbarrow, and a shovel to spread 10 yards of mulch. Alright, so there's all 10 yards of my mulch, and just me and my wheelbarrow are moving at about 50 feet that way. I'm going to get the part owned by the HOA, as well as my new area there. Total, this is about 1,300 square feet. Let's take a look at the mulch that I bought. This stuff was on sale for $17 a yard. They call it a classic triple shred mulch, and I'll be honest with you, as you can see, there's almost as much organic material in here as there is actual wood. A lot of people may not like this to put in their flower beds, but for the area that I'm putting it in right now, it's the perfect thing for it. It's cheap and cost effective, but also with all that organic material, it's going to help break down over the next year and create a nice layer of topsoil in that area. Alright, so I'm no math teacher, but I'm going to do a little simple math for you. I ordered 10 yards of mulch, and 10 yards of mulch is equal to 270 cubic feet. The wheelbarrow that I'm using holds 6 cubic feet of mulch, so if we divide that out, that's 45 full wheelbarrow loads if you get it fully loaded every single time. And it took me roughly about 4 hours to spread this out. So there were quite a few trips, and it was a little bit of work, but I think the results paid off. When they dumped my mulch, some of it got into the grass, so that's where I pulled from first. I wanted to get that off of there, and now's a good time to hose it down, spray some of that in, and also get the grass some water. Hopefully you can see I put it on pretty thick, 3 inches or maybe even a little bit more in some places. In total, it took about 4 hours to spread all this mulch. This large bed came out really nice, I think. The color difference that you're seeing here is the difference between what I spread before dinner and then after dinner. The one had a chance to dry. It'll all dry and look exactly the same. I also did the front beds. And you can see there's not a whole lot in here because I ripped out all the major bushes. If you have any ideas of stuff to plant up here, throw it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you guys have. And then there is the rest of the mulch in that tarp there. Save it a little bit later, spruce some areas up. This area is right over top of my French drain in the swale, and it's not grown in really well, so I'm going to need to break up that straw, do a little bit of reseed, and we should be fine there. On the Main Street side, we can see the area that's owned by the HOA, and then that transitions into mine here. The white line was a line that I was thinking about taking, so I spray painted that out earlier, but I ended up going up a little bit higher. If you guys can think of some privacy plants that would look good in here, whether they're small trees, tall grasses, bushes, throw those down in the comments. I'd love to see what you guys are thinking. And then if you want to know what's going in this dirt area here, you might have to stick around for a future video. Then also in a future video, I'll be tackling this grass area here. I'm really pleased with the way this grass has grown in a lot of areas. It's coming in super thick, grown up through the straw. Some areas maybe not so much, but overall I'm really pleased with this. So I'm going to have to go back through, rake up the straw and reseed this area. There's a lot going on this area of my yard with future projects and stuff going on. If you guys have any comments for me, leave them down below. If you like the video, please give it a like. And then if you're looking forward to some of these other future projects, let me know. Hit that subscribe button. But until next time, well, I guess I'll see you in the next video.